Senator Bato de la Rosa to The Hague. Anong mangyayari kung maglabas nga ng arrest warrant ng International Criminal Court laban kay Senator Bato? Sagutin muna natin yung mga tanong. Number 1, meron na nga bang arrest warrant? If you ask Ombudsman Remulla, he will tell you na meron na.
Meron na?
According sa kanya, siya mismo ay meron ng unofficial copy of the arrest warrant issued by the ICC against Senator Bato. He said kailangan pang dumaan ng arrest warrant sa proper channels para ma-implement ito. Pero ang ICC naman sinabi, it cannot confirm kung meron na nga bang arrest warrant. Sabi ni ICC spokesperson Fadi El Abdallah, lahat ng balita na ICC related ay nilalabas lamang through court's official communication channels. And so far, wala pa. But here's an important development though. Inamyendahan ng ICC yung kanilang rules on arrest warrant applications. Ngayon, lahat ng arrest warrant application, pati na rin yung mga summons for persons under investigation to appear before the court should be kept under seal or confidential mula sa publiko unless authorized by the judges nitong ICC. And this may apply dito sa kaso ni Senator Bato de la Rosa. Kaya sa ngayon, walang public information kung meron na nga bang arrest warrant laban kay Senator. Question number 2. What if meron na ngang arrest warrant? Maaresto ba si Senator Bato de la Rosa? Kung papakinggan natin yung tindig nitong Department of Justice, ang kanilang sinasabi, the Philippine government should comply with the ICC. According kay Chief State Counsel Dennis Chan, while the ICC could not compel the Philippines to carry out an arrest warrant due to its withdrawal from the Rome Statute, meron pa rin tinatawag na principle of reciprocity. Even si Prosecutor General Richard Anthony Fadulion said it's inevitable for the Philippine government to comply with the ICC arrest warrant kung magkaroon man. In short, we may be looking at Senator Bato de la Rosa joining former President Rodrigo Duterte sa The Hague once the arrest warrant is issued by the ICC.
I'm just guided by the Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit ka agad ah!
Question number 3. Paano aarestuhin si Senator Bato if and when the arrest warrant is issued? There are two possible scenarios according sa Department of Justice, yung surrender at extradition. Ano yung difference? Una yung surrender. Ito yung mas mabilis at mas maikling proseso. Under Section 17 ng Republic Act No. 9851, maaaring isurrender yung mga suspected or accused persons sa Pilipinas sa international court o ibang bansa pursuant to the applicable extradition laws and treaties na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Ito yung nangyari kay President Rodrigo Duterte when he was surrendered to the ICC noong March. But the President Duterte case is exactly what makes this choice a bit tricky. Petitions were filed before the Supreme Court questioning the legality of the surrender. So, ngayon, sabi ng DOJ, aantayin muna nila ang desisyon ng Supreme Court sa mga petisyon na ito bago gumawa ng definitive action. Yung isang option naman is yung extradition, pero ito yung mas mabagal na proseso. Under this, yung isang convicted o akusadong individual dito sa Pilipinas ay maaaring i-turn over doon sa otoridad ng ibang bansa para doon nila harapin yung kanilang mga akusasyon through a trial o harapin yung kanilang mga parusa sa mga krimen na ginawa nila doon sa bansang yun. Pero according kay ICC Assistant Counsel Cristina Conti, nag-a-apply lang ang extradition kung may foreign warrant na issued ang isang bansa. But in the case of Senator De La Rosa, ang ICC ay isang international court at hindi bansa. Kaya mas applicable ang surrender kesa extradition. Para sa DOJ, inaaral ngayon lahat ng posibleng course of action kung sakaling maglabas nga ng arrest warrant ng ICC laban kay Senator Bato. Which brings me to question number 4. What happens next? Well, I hope I have the answer but only time will tell. Alam ko nakaka-overwhelm yung mga impormasyon na meron tayo ngayon pero mas importante pa rin na inform tayo. So kung meron man kayong mga katanungan, please do let us know in the comment section.